In this video, we will explore key levels, since they are a crucial part of how we approach trading. What is a key level and why is it so important? A key level is a historical zone on the chart where the price has either paused or made significant move from. These zones are important because the probability that the price will stop there again and bounce around these areas is quite high. If we know there was strong buying interest at a certain price level, let's say for example 30,000, we can expect people to repeat their buying there. We can use this level as a point to monitor order flow, and if we see our setup there, we can enter a buy position, long position, and this way we can double our chances of having profitable trade, because we monitor order flow and all of that near key level. Now imagine that the price breaks below 30,000 and later it comes back up and starts struggling to go above 30,000. Now this same level becomes resistance, even though it was previous support. But still, we can use this level as a key level where we can monitor order flow, and if we see our setup near this zone, we can enter a position. Here you can see an example where support turned into resistance. It's a still important zone where we want to monitor price action using order flow. In short, key levels are important areas on the chart that serve as the playing field where we effectively use order flow tools. Personally, as a trader, I don't trade or use order flow without great key level. I only open order flow tools and look for confirmation if I see the price is in a strong key level. Then I pay attention to setups like absorptions, etc. Now, which timeframes are good for marking strong key levels? Great timeframes for key levels are 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily. These timeframes are timeframes that we use in Lunar. For your key levels, always use higher timeframes, because higher timeframes carry more weight. Lower timeframes, such as 5 minute, 15 minute, or 30 minutes, are good for order flow, confirmation, and execution. What we consider as a good and strong timeframes, really strong and great timeframes are hourly, 4 hour, and daily support/resistance, order blocks, swing points, and range highs, range lows. On our website, we have these levels clearly explained along with the rest of the order flow trading course, all for free. If you found this video interesting and want to continue learning, visit our website lunaracademy.eu. Link is in the description of this video.